Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into BeReal app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded BeReal app, then open the app. Here you can either click on continue button or click on the skip button in the top right corner. Now enter your name, then tap on continue button. Here you'll have to enter your date of birth, then tap on yes I'm 20 years old button. Now you'll have to enter your mobile number, then tap on continue button. Then an OTP number will be sent to your number. Now type in the OTP number. And that is how you can log into BeReal app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.